Welcome back to my channel, Abram's Mom Kitchenette, and this is me once again, Freya. So sorry that I wasn't able to upload for any new videos for the past 2 weeks because we've got so busy with Abram's Mom Home Bakery Shop. We got so many orders of this best-selling hand pies. So if you haven't tried our best-selling chicken pies or pork asado pies, especially those caviteños, please head on to our page now and have your orders. So today, since most of you are asking me what is the secret to our super flaky hand pies, so I'm gonna share it now. This is the best pie dough recipe that you will ever make, and this is a foolproof recipe. In pie making, you might think that picking the filling is the hardest decision. Well, part of it's a yes, but when you slice your pie or you bite into it, that texture, the flakiness, and the taste, it's all in the pie crust. And the kind of fat that you will use greatly impacts your pie. Mastering your basic pie dough recipe will take your filling ideas to the next level. To start, we will just need a few ingredients that probably you have in your pantry. So we will need all-purpose flour, vegetable shortening, unsalted butter, sugar, and salt, and of course, water. So the first thing that we're going to do is put together all the ingredients in one bowl. The most important tip that you must remember in making this delicious pie dough is to always use very cold ingredients like cold water, cold shortening, and if ever you can, make use also a very cold pastry cutter. You have to use also cold pastry cutter. Guys, that you give this recipe a try and you have enjoyed my video, and if you do, please give me a thumbs up, share this with your friends, and subscribe on my channel. This is the most flaky, the most buttery, and the most delicious pie dough recipe that you will ever taste. Even if you fry this or you bake, the result is the same. But if you don't have time to make this pie dough, you can always head on to Abram's Mom page and give us a message and order our chicken pie. Thanks for watching and see you around on my next video.